What's up guys, the PE guy here. Today we are going to learn how to do Chinese jump rope, and I've got some friends that are going to teach us how to do it. So we have Mr. Smith and Mrs. Donahue. They're going to teach us how to do Chinese jump rope.
All right guys, we're going to go over just a quick version of the basic pattern. You'll start with 1 foot in and 1 foot out of the ropes. You'll jump and switch 4 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Both feet in, both feet out, both feet in, land on the ropes. All right, now we're going to discuss basic pattern number 2. You'll start with your home position, which is just outside the ropes. You'll jump in, you'll jump out, you'll jump in. You go back to your home position. You'll jump and turn this time, so you're facing the opposite direction while you straddle the ropes. Then you'll jump in, you'll jump out, then you'll jump on again.
Thanks so much for watching. You guys are amazing. If you haven't hit that like button, hit it, smash it, do all that good stuff to it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Special thanks goes to Mr. Smith and Mrs. Donahue. You guys are fantastic PE teachers. I'm so humbled to have learned something from you today. Thank you guys. And as always, have a fantastic day. Peace.